Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. आज हम आपके लिए लेकर के आए हैं शॉर्टकट कीज़। ये शॉर्टकट कीज़ कंप्यूटर्स की शॉर्टकट कीज़ हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम शॉर्टकट कीज़ को समझेंगे कि वो एक्चुअली होती क्या है। The computer shortcut keys are a set of one or more keys that generate a particular command to be executed. These shortcut keys provide help for an easier and quicker method of navigating and executing commands in computer software. So this is the definition for shortcut keys. Now let's start learning shortcut keys of computer. First one is Control plus A, that is Control A. Control A is used to select all the text. Next is Control B. Control B command is used to bold the selected text. Next is Control C. Control C is used to copy the selected text. Next is Control D. Control D is used to duplicate the record. Next is Control E. Control E is used to make the center alignment of the text. Next is Control G. Control G is used to go to or to jump to the other section on the page. Next is Control H. Control H is used to find and replace the text. Next is Control I. Control I is used to make the selected text italic. Control K. Control K is used to insert hyperlink. Next is Control L. Control L is used to make all the text left aligned. Next is Control M. Control M is used to increase the indents. Next is Control N. Control N is used for a new document. Next is Control O. Control O is used to open the existing documents. Next, Control P. Control P is used to print the documents. Next is Control R. Control R is used to make all the text align right. Next is Control S. Control S is used to save the documents. Next is Control T. Control T is used to hanging indents. Next is Control U. Control U is used to underline the text. Next is Control V. Control V is used to paste the selected text. Next is Control W. Control W is to close the active window. Next is Control X. Control X is used to cut the selected text. Next is Control Y. Control Y is used to repeat the action. Next is Control Z. So Control Z is used as an undo command. So here are the list of the shortcut keys alphabetically. I hope आप सबको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया होगा. Thank you.